to start the chemical element family album project, and you have in front of you the same thing that's up here on the board, objectives and state objections, or I'm sorry, state expectations. So we've already read through those. What you're going to do is we're going to assign you and get you into groups of 3 or 4 students. Each student will create a portion of the family album by researching an element in their assigned group or family. I want you to write in here that we assigned this on 11/7, and that it is due on 11/13/12, which is next week, Tuesday. Students will research their group or family by using netbooks, iPads, and computers here at school. You will also be using textbooks and library books in class. You'll be required to do some of the work at home. You'll earn 40 points for doing the element page. Each student will have their own element page, an element that they will be researching. This is the information that you need to find out about your element. So you have numbers 1 through 13. Those are 13 items that you need to end up putting on your element page. Research that using your textbooks. There's library books for almost every element. And we have the iPads and netbooks available, as well as the desktop computers. That portion of your project is worth 40 points for you. Once you get into your groups, we will assign you your element. And then you also assign you who will do the cover page, which is worth 20 points to whoever does it. It's going to have an illustration or more than one illustration, or you can print out pictures or cut out pictures from the magazines in the classroom. The name of the family and your group number by the Roman numeral, and a list of all the elements in that group, even the ones that your group is not researching. You're going to add those to the cover page. You're going to put your project group number at the bottom and the hour of that cover page, so I know which hour it belongs to and which group it belongs to. Then I'm going to have someone be assigned to creating the family introduction page. There you're going to list the elements that you are actually researching in your group, so the ones that are going to be actually in your album. And next to the name of the element, you're going to list the name of the person who did the research. You will also explain the family or group's similar properties. On the family introduction page, you're also going to have to add some illustrations or pictures. That is also worth 20 points. The last page of your photo or family album is going to be the bibliography page. This is where you're going to put your entire group's resources, what resources you used as you did your research. So each individual will have to keep track of their own resources and then give it to this person so they can put it all on one sheet. So you'll have website names and IP addresses, library book titles, authors, page numbers, textbooks titles, and your page numbers that you've been finding information on. So each student will earn 60 points on this project. They will be required to do an element page and one of those 3: cover, family intro, or bibliography.